Hello everyone, this is KTF-00014. Welcome to etc.me. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing about a hassle-free mouse for Microsoft Surface users. Let's go.
So this is the mouse I was talking about. This mouse costs around $50 to $75. Now let me unbox it for you. As you can see, this box is designed perfectly to protect what's inside. So this comes with an installation guide and two AAA batteries which is already inside the mouse. The battery life is up to 12 months. The look of the mouse is quite impressive and it's beautifully shaped, sleek and slim to match with your Microsoft Surface. The frequency range is 4.2 GHz and weighs up to 200 grams. The battery cover is actually a magnetic shield. You can press down to open and close it easily. Before I go further, let me tell you the difference between a normal mouse and a Microsoft Surface One. If you are a Microsoft Surface user, you will realize that it comes with just one USB port and a C-type port, and it becomes really difficult to use any other device that comes with a USB port if you use a normal wireless mouse, which requires an external Bluetooth device. Whereas Microsoft Surface mouse, which is this one, is itself a Bluetooth operating device built-in feature, and it is easy to connect and pair. Now let's see how to pair the mouse to the Microsoft Surface. Go to Start, Settings, click on Devices, add Bluetooth or other devices, click on Bluetooth. Make sure to click 3 seconds behind the mouse to switch it on. As you can see, the mouse is shown on the display, connected, and the mouse is ready to go. Click Done. Now let's check the mouse how it works. Go to any browser, open any random page, and let's scroll through the page. Wow, it's actually working very fast, as I was expecting.
And here we are, the end of the video. I hope you guys really liked it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below and you will find this mouse in the description. I'll just put the link over there. So that's all, and I really hope you guys will really give us more inspiration by comments, like and subscribe. So till then, so far, see you.